Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video will be on a brief outline to the types of clauses. In short, this video is about the contents that will be posted under the playlist of clauses. So it is a series in which the videos on clauses will proceed on this playlist. So therefore, this should be taken as an explanatory video but introductory in nature because I'm going to give you introduction about the types of clauses. Let's get started. So students, the main introduction to the types of clauses refers to its main division. So mainly clauses are divided into two parts, and they are: the first one is independent clauses, the second one is dependent clauses, and the others will be eventually the subcategories of each of the mentioned here. So basically an independent clause is also known as principal clause or a main clause because it stands alone in the sentence, and on the contrary dependent clause is dependent on the independent clause to convey its meaning. So therefore there are two types of clauses, independent clauses and dependent clauses. I'm not explaining you now, I'm just giving you what all we are going to do in this playlist, what all videos will come under the playlist of clauses. So it is a kind of your contents of clauses. So you should note down in your notes that we are going to cover the following points in the upcoming videos that I upload. So they are further basically classification of independent clauses and dependent clauses. Let's have a look at the types of each of them in brief. An independent clause is of three types. The first one is single clause, the second one is main clause, and the third one is coordinate clause. So an independent clause is divided into three parts. It is of three types: single clause, second is main clause, and the third one is coordinate clause. The subcategory of the dependent clause is again divided into three parts. The first one is noun clause, second one is adverb clause, and the third one is adjective clause or relative clause. So we will discuss independent clause and dependent clause thoroughly, and by the end of this playlist I assure you that you will be able to recognize any type of clause in a given sentence. So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of my videos. Keep learning and keep growing. All important playlists will be linked down in the description box.